Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss integration by partial fraction. This is the last part of indefinite integration. What is integration by partial fraction? If f of x and g of x are two polynomials, then f of x upon g of x is called as a rational algebraic function or a rational function of x. Here there are two cases, means f of x upon g of x, that is ratio of two polynomials. It has two cases. Case number 1, if degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x, that is degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then f of x upon g of x is called as a proper rational function. Case number 2, if degree of f of x is greater than or equal to degree of g of x, that is degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of denominator, and express the function f of x upon g of x as f of x upon g of x is equal to quotient plus remainder upon g of x. Means the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of denominator, then you should divide numerator by denominator by actual carry out division. Okay, then you will get rational function, f of x upon g of x, that is ratio of two polynomials in the form of quotient plus remainder upon g of x. See here, the remainder upon g of x means here the degree of numerator, that is degree of remainder, is less than degree of g of x. So it is called as proper rational function in terms of x. Okay. So how to integrate such type of function? Here, if it is rational polynomial or proper rational functions, then you have to observe the degree of, then you have to observe the g of x, denominator polynomial g of x. It has, or that polynomial, it may be non-repeated linear factor, g of x having non-repeated linear factors. Linear factor means linear polynomial. Okay, that is g of x containing two or more than two linear factors. The following table indicate how to choose the partial fractions corresponding to the given rational function in different form. There are 3 points here. Point number 1, that is see at the top of the table, that is serial number, that is rational function, and the partial fraction form. Point number 1, serial number 1, that is 1 upon product of two linear factors, two linear polynomials, that is 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. Then you have to convert in partial form, that is a, capital A upon first factor plus b upon second factor. Instead of 1, suppose it may be linear polynomial, linear upon quadratic polynomial, or it may be product of two linear polynomial, then you have to write same thing, that is a upon first factor plus b upon another factor. Third point, you have to observe third, instead of quadratic, p x square plus qx plus r may be 1, that is 1 upon product of three linear factors, then you have to write a upon first factor plus b upon second factor plus c upon third factor. Maybe linear, instead of this quadratic polynomial may be px plus q form, px plus q form, that is linear upon product of means px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Then that time also you have to write capital A upon first factor plus b upon second factor plus c upon third factor, or it may be quadratic upon product of three linear factors, then its partial fractions are same. Okay, partial fractions are same. In this case, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator in each factor. And again you have to observe here the denominator factors are non-repeated. Okay. Now second point is the factors are repeated. G of x factors are repeated. That is nothing but, see the table here, the rational form or rational function and the partial fraction form. Suppose third point is px plus q upon x minus a the whole square. See here x minus a the whole square is repeated. So how to choose a partial fraction here? A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a the whole square. Now next one is quadratic upon x minus a the whole cube. That is also you have to write a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a the whole square plus c upon x minus a the whole cube. And next point is x minus a denominator. I am talking about denominator polynomial x minus a the whole square into another factor x minus b. So you have to write a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a the whole square plus c upon x minus b, and it is quadratic upon x minus a into quadratic polynomial. X upon a is, what are the partial fraction here? You have to choose the partial fraction is a, capital A upon x minus a, plus if it is quadratic here, then it is bx plus c upon quadratic as it is, right? And the last point is quadratic upon x minus a the whole cube into x minus a. Then you have to select the partial fraction in the form of capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a the whole square plus capital c अपॉन x माइनस ए द होल क्यूब प्लस d अपॉन x माइनस बी. तो यहाँ पर जो टेबल दिया गया है, दिस टेबल इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो कोई भी टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ गया तो ये टेबल से आप उसे पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये टेबल बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसे एकदम परफेक्ट करना है आपने. देन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व एनी क्वेश्चन. नाउ let's start exercise 3.4. This is the last exercise of indefinite integration. Question number 1. Evaluate integration of x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into bracket x plus 3 with respect to x. Solution. Let I is equal to the given integration. Okay, again you have to observe here what is the degree of numerator? It is 2, and degree of denominator, if you expand this polynomial तो इसका डिग्री आपको 3 मिल जाए, 3 मिलेगा. डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इज 3, मीन्स हियर इट इज प्रॉपर रैशनल फॉर्म. सो यू हैव टू राइट द गिवन सम एज इट इज इक्वल टू ए अपॉन फर्स्ट फैक्टर प्लस बी अपॉन सेकेंड फैक्टर. सो द रैशनल फंक्शन consider x plus 2 upon x plus x minus 1 into x plus 2 into third bracket x plus 3 is equal to capital A upon first factor plus b upon second polynomial plus 3 upon third polynomial, right? Suppose this is equation number 1. This is very very important point. Now you have to simplify RHS. Okay, now how to simplify this? By taking LCM and cross multiplication here. So it becomes, see, a into, what is LCM? This product of 3. Okay, then a into, you have to simplify RHS, LHS keep as it is equal to a into bracket x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus b into bracket x minus 1 into bracket x plus 3 plus c into bracket, by taking LCM and cross multiplication, c into bracket x minus 1 into x plus 3 upon LCM. Here the denominator get cancelled, the same factor get cancelled here, and what is the next step? It is x x square plus 2 is equal to a into bracket x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus b into bracket x minus 1 into second bracket x plus 3 plus c into bracket x minus 1 into bracket x plus 2. This is equation number second. Okay. What are the values of a and b? Here a and b are real numbers. You have to find out these values. If the degree of denominator polynomial is 3, then it has 3 arbitrary constant a, b, c. You have to find out a, b, c. For finding a, put denominator of a is 0. For finding a, put x minus 1 is 0. So x equal to 1 in equation number second. तो यहाँ पर x equal to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे हम. 1 is equal to x equal to 1 means 1 square is 1 plus 2. ये आ जाएगा 1 plus 2 is equal to, that is equal to 1 plus 2 is nothing but ये आ जाएगा see a into bracket 1 plus 2 that is 3 into 1 plus 3 it become 4 means 3 into 4 12 a आ जाएगा and this factor is 0, this is also 0 means 3 is equal to 12a. Okay, so it is nothing but 1 plus 2 is equal to this one, 3 is equal to 12a. They implies that a is equal to 3 upon 12 means 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Now for finding b, put denominator of b, that is x plus 2 is 0. Okay, so you will get x equal to minus 2 in equation number second. What is second? That is nothing but 4, 2 square is 4 plus 2 is equal to a into 0 प्लस यहाँ पे b मिलेगा आपको, दैट इज x इक्वल टू माइनस 2 डालना है यहाँ पे एंड c इज 0 हियर. देन यू विल गेट 6 इज इक्वल टू minus 3b implies that b is equal to minus half. Again you have to find out the value of c by substitute by putting x plus 3 is 0. You will get x equal to minus 3 in equation number second. You will get c is equal to 11 by 4 after simplifying. Okay, now here you will get a is 1 by 4, b is minus half and c is equal to, c is 11 by 4. Substitute all the values of a, b, c in equation number 1. So equation 1 become x square by 2, x square plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. What is a? 1 by 4 upon x minus 1 plus b क्या है? Minus 1 by 2 upon x plus 2 plus c. What is c? 11 by 4 upon x plus 3. Now taking integration on both sides with respect to x, you will get integration of LHS equal to integration of RHS. See यहाँ पर देखिए, it is u f of x plus g of x plus h of x form, means taking separate integration here, and 1 by 4 you have to write outside the integration sign, minus 1 by 2 is also outside because of it is constant, 11 by 4 also you have to write outside the integration sign, and it is 1 upon linear, that is log of denominator. So what is LHS? LHS become I. So I is equal to 1 by 4 into integration of 1 upon x minus 1 minus half into integration of 1 upon x plus 2 plus 11 by 4 into integration of x plus 3, and that is nothing but 1 by 4 into log of denominator minus half into log of x plus 2 plus 11 by 4 into log of x plus 3 plus c. This is the last answer. Okay, it's very simple, mechanically ऑटोमेटिक सॉल्व होता है. जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट स्टेप, that is given polynomial, given rational function, given rational polynomial is equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor, whatever may be. That is very important. Then mechanically you have to solve that, you will get final answer. Now question number second, evaluate integration of 1 upon x into bracket x minus 2 into x minus 4 into dx. Here numerator is 1 here, may be linear or quadratic. Okay, Again you have to apply same procedure. Consider 1 upon product of 3 polynomials, 3 factors, linear factors is equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor plus c upon third factor. Suppose this is equation number 1. Then you have to simplify RHS by taking LCM and cross multiplication. You will get a into bracket x minus 2 into bracket x minus 4 plus b into x minus 4 plus c into x minus 2 upon LCM. Now here this LCM, this factor and this factor get cancelled. So you will get 1 is equal to a into bracket x minus 2 into x minus 4 plus b into x minus 4 plus c into x minus 2. Suppose this is equation number 2. For finding a, put x equal to 0, and for finding b, put x equal to x minus 2 is 0, that is x equal to 2. For finding c, put x equal to 4 in equation number 2, right? So for a, put x equal to 0 in equation number 2, you will get 1 is equal to here 1 is equal to a into bracket minus 2 minus 4 plus b into 0 plus c into 0, it become 1 is equal to 8a. So a is equal to 1 upon 8. Also for finding b, put x equal to 2 in equation 2, you will get b. What is b? b is minus 1 by 4. Also for finding c, put x equal to 4 in equation 2. The remaining part is similar, means same procedure here. Therefore c is equal to 1 upon 8. Now here substitute the value of a is 1 by 8, b is minus 1 by 4 and c is 1 by 8 in equation number 1. So equation 1 become, that is 1 upon x into bracket x minus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 8 upon x plus minus 1 by 4 upon x minus 2 plus 1 by 8 upon x minus 4. By taking integration on both sides, you will get 1 upon 8 I is equal to 1 upon 8 into integration of 1 upon x into dx minus 1 upon 4 into integration of dx upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon 8 into integration of dx upon x minus 4, and that is nothing but 1 upon 8 log x minus 1 by 4 log of x minus 2 plus 1 by this is the final answer. Okay, it's very simple procedure. Third one, evaluate twice x plus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2. Solution, let I is the given integration. See, you have to observe here what is denominator. Denominator is product of two linear factors, so it is a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. So you have to simplify RHS by taking LCM and cross multiplication. You will get a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 2. Here the denominator of LHS and RHS get cancelled. You will get twice x plus 1 is equal to a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 2. This is equation number 2. Yes, what is next step? Yeah, for finding a, put x equal to minus 1 in equation 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1. Equation 2 become 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to a into bracket minus 1 minus 2 plus b into 0, that is minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 3 into a. So a is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. For finding b, put x equal to 2 in equation 2, you will get b. b is 5 by 3. So the equation 1 become 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 divided by x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 upon x minus 2. Then taking separate integration, taking integration on both sides with respect to x, you will get I is equal to, on simplify RHS by taking separate integration, 1 by 3 you have to write outside the integration sign plus 5 by 3 outside the integration sign, and that is nothing but I is equal to 1 by 3 integration of dx upon x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 integration of dx upon x minus 2, and that is nothing but 1 by 3 into log of x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 into log of x minus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Now next question for practice. Here integration of 4x upon quadratic polynomial, that is 2x square plus x minus 1 into dx. See, this polynomial is factorizable, so you have to find out the factors of this. Okay, यहाँ पे आप रफ कैलकुलेशन करके इसके फैक्टर्स निकाल सकते हैं और डायरेक्ट भी आप इसे फैक्टर्स लिख सकते हैं. देन इट इज 4x अपॉन 2x माइनस 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू a अपॉन फर्स्ट फैक्टर प्लस b अपॉन सेकेंड फैक्टर. इस तरीके से आप लिख सकते हैं. तो उसे एलसीएम एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको a एंड b मिल जाएगा. यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. इट्स ए वेरी सिंपल फॉर्म एंड इसका आंसर भी यहाँ पर दिया गया है. यू कैन सॉल्व दिस वन. यहाँ पर जस्ट ए एंड बी इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसमें शॉर्टकट वीडियो भी है, तो इससे डायरेक्ट ए और बी शॉर्टकट आंसर भी मिल सकता है इसमें. लेकिन बोर्ड मेथड में दैट इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. दैट शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर MST CET and JEE mains and advanced form. Okay, now question number 7. Evaluate x plus 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 6 with respect to x. The given integration is denoted by I. Let I is equal to given integration. You have to observe this, that is linear upon quadratic, but here this quadratic polynomial is integrable. So quadratic polynomial is factorizable, so you have to find out its factors, and that is nothing but x. हम यहाँ पर लिख देते हैं आपको. that is nothing but integration of x plus 1 upon what are the factors? X plus 3 into x plus 2. These are the factors with respect to x. So the rational polynomial or rational function x plus 1 upon x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. So you have to simplify RHS by taking LCM and cross multiplication. You will get equation second, that is x plus 1 is equal to a into bracket x plus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 3, that is equation second. अभी यहाँ पे हमें a और b फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट a? a कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? पुट x plus 3 is 0, that is x equal to 3 in equation second. इसमें डालेंगे हम इक्वेशन सेकेंड में. सो इक्वेशन सेकेंड बिकम minus 3 plus 1 is equal to a into bracket minus 3 plus 2 plus b into 0, and that is nothing but minus 2 is equal to minus a. So a become 2. ये यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा हमें a is equal to 2, right? Yes, here a is equal to 2 here. A is equal to 2. Put a x plus 2 is 0, that is x equal to minus 2 in equation second, that is b is equal to minus 1. So you have to substitute the value of a and b in equation number 1, that is x plus 1 upon x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon x plus 3 plus minus 1 upon x plus 2. So taking integration on both sides, you will get integration of LHS equal to integration of RHS. So what is integration of LHS? I, capital I. एंड यहाँ पे अभी हम सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे. बाय टेकिंग सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन, 2 you have to write outside the integration, that is integration of dx upon x plus 3, and minus 1 you have to write outside, you will get integration of second one. So it become capital I is equal to 2 into log of x plus 3 minus log of x plus 2 plus c, and that is nothing but by logarithmic property you will get log of x plus 3 the whole square minus log of x plus 2 plus c, and is equal to log of x plus 3 bracket square divided by log of divided by x plus 2 by using log m. See here, by using log m plus log n formula is nothing but log m into log m into n, and here it is minus sign, so it become log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. So it become divided, right? This is the final answer. Now the next question is integration of question number 8, 12x plus 3 upon quadratic polynomial, that is 6x square plus 13x minus 36. Again you have to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Then you will get product of two linear factors. Then you have to simplify by using a plus first factor plus b plus second factor. Similarly, question number 9. Just you try this one. Now, the last question of this video, integration of quadratic upon quadratic. Okay, evaluate x square, integration of x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 with respect to x. The given integration is denoted by I, let I is equal to given integration. See, it is quadratic, means degrees are same, then you must divide numerator by denominator by actual डिवीजन मेथड. यू हैव टू कैरी आउट एक्चुअल डिवीजन मेथड. तो यहाँ पे आपको डिवाइड करना है. लेकिन यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करेंगे आप, ये एक्स स्क्वेयर है, सेकेंड वेरिएबल टर्म इज एक्स है. जस्ट यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द कांस्टेंट नंबर हियर. कांस्टेंट नंबर -1 को लिखेंगे आप -6 में. तो ये बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. इसके बाद के क्वेश्चंस तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रहेंगे, वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे इसे. तो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. जस्ट यू हैव टू एडजस्ट -1 इन टर्म्स ऑफ -6. तो यहाँ डिवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं आपको, क्योंकि दोनों भी वेरिएबल टर्म सिमिलर है. अगर डिफरेंट है तो इसे हमें डिवाइड ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम स्टार्टिंग में बोल चुके हैं, ये डिनोमिनेटर, डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. तो उस वक्त आपको डिवीजन ही करना है. लेकिन यहाँ पे -1 को हम स्प्लिट करेंगे, इट बिकम इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 6 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस एक्स माइनस 6 प्लस 5 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस एक्स माइनस 6. तो -6 प्लस 5 इट बिकम -1. तो ये -1 को हम स्प्लिट करेंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस वन. ओके, अभी हमें स्प्लिट करना है, that is integration of x square plus x minus 6 upon x square plus x minus 6 get cancelled, it become 1 plus 5 upon this one. Now taking separate integration, what is integration of 1 dx? It become x plus integration of 5 upon x square plus x minus 6. तो यहाँ पर जो 5 है हम इसे बाहर लिख देंगे. You have to write this 5 outside the integration sign, and that is nothing but x I is equal to x plus 5 times I1. ओके, क्योंकि जो सेकेंड जो इंटीग्रेशन है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस एक्स माइनस 6, दिस इज 1 अपॉन क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल आ गया हो. तो यू हैव टू डिनोटेड बाय आई, उसे आई डिनोट करेंगे हम. एंड नाउ यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दैट I1, उसे I1 से डिनोट करेंगे. व्हाट इज I1? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस एक्स माइनस 6. This is factorizable. What are the factors of this polynomial? It is nothing but integration of 1 upon x plus 3 bracket complete into x minus 2 bracket complete with respect to x. So it become 1 upon x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. Suppose this is equation number 2nd. Now you have to simplify RHS. How to simplify? By same procedure, that is taking LCM and cross multiplication. Here the denominator get cancelled, that is 1 is equal to a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 3. And suppose this is equation number 3rd. अभी आ गया इक्वेशन 3rd. अभी यहाँ पे हमें a and b फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट a and b? पुट x plus 3 is 0, you will get a. Put x plus 3 is 0, that is x equal to 3 in equation number 3rd. You will get a is equal to minus 1 by 5. Also put x minus 2 is 0, that is x equal to 2 in equation number 2nd. You will get b is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So equation 2nd is equal to 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 5 upon x plus 3 plus 1 by 5 divided by x minus 2 from equation 2nd. Now taking integration on both sides, you will get integration of LHS is equal to इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ RHS. अभी यहाँ पर हम टेकिंग सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे. ओके, सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन लेना है, बट -1/5 इसे बाहर लिखेंगे, +1/5 यू हैव टू राइट आउटसाइड द इंटीग्रेशन साइन. यू विल गेट I1 इज इक्वल टू, व्हाट इज LHS? I1 इज इक्वल टू taking separate integration, that is -1/5 into integration of dx upon x plus 3 plus 1/5 integration of dx upon x minus 2, and that is nothing but -1/5. ओके, -1/5 ये आ जाएगा. सी यहाँ पे देखिए, -1/5 इंटू लॉग ऑफ दिस प्लस 1/5. तो हम यहाँ पे 1/5 कॉमन ले लेंगे प्लस, तो ये पहले पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा लॉग ऑफ x माइनस 2, और ये माइनस साइन है तो माइनस यहाँ लिख देंगे x प्लस 3. Okay, minus log of x plus 3. So equation 1 become, what is 1? I is equal to, capital I is equal to x plus 5 times 1/5 into this one. तो यहाँ पर 1/5 into 5 get cancel. तो this is the, after simplifying, means x I is equal to, capital I is equal to x plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x plus 3 plus c. This is the last answer. Okay. Now यहाँ पे हमने एक पार्ट कंप्लीट किया है. सेकेंड लेक्चर में पूरा 3.4 इसे कंप्लीट कर देंगे. If you enjoy this video,